This is Lewis Kerr at 6 months old on Sunday the 24th of August, and he's getting his breakfast and making lots of noise, aren't you? Are you making lots of noise? Oh, he's gone quiet now. I'm sure that won't last too long though. Huh? Are you shy? Hmm? What you doing? What you doing? Where's our boy? Where's our boy? Is that nice? Huh? Is that nice? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.